Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll first make sure Windows features are enabled and then kick off installation. Open PowerShell as administrator. This gives you permission to toggle system features. Once done, run WSL install to enable WSL and install a default distribution automatically. If you prefer a specific distro, use WSL install ddistro name. Make sure your system is updated and then restart when prompted, so the feature changes take effect before moving to the next step. Now you'll get a Linux distribution running. If you use WSL install, it likely installed a distro already. Otherwise, open Microsoft Store, choose a distro like Ubuntu, and install it. Once installed, launch it from start or run WSL ddistro name in PowerShell to open the distro shell. You'll be prompted to create a Linux username and password that's local to the distro. Once you finish setup, you're inside a Linux terminal and can run commands as you would on a native system. To open WSL quickly, use the Start menu shortcut, run WSL in PowerShell, or open Windows Terminal and select your distro. Once active, use WSL set default distro name to choose your default and make any path or GUI settings you need. If something goes wrong, restart and ensure virtualization is enabled in BIOS/UEFI, run WSL update to get the latest components, or disable and re-enable the Windows subsystem for Linux feature and reinstall your distro. That one troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.